This is Richard Howard in Concord, California. Hey, this is lesson number 5 in our series of videos on creating your own website. And today we're going to be adding a second page to our website, talk about navigating through those pages in both the editor tool and in our published website. And then we're actually going to publish our website so that we can actually navigate between the pages. All right, so I'm going to go right into the editor tool. Here's my Total Wealth tongue-in-cheek website. Click on the pencil. Open up the editor box, and you can see it opens up to my page here. The one thing it's going to do is it's going to turn on my video, my autoplay video that I added into this page last lesson. I'm going to turn that off so it's not running in the background, being annoying. We've got our page here. Now today we're going to add a second page. To do that, you click on Pages on the left, and now we need to actually identify this first page that we're working on so we don't get confused. I'm going to call this page that we've been working on my main page. Title is going to be GRN Main, Global Resorts Network main page. Yes to show in navigation. I'm going to say save, and now I actually have that page is called my main page. So now I'm going to add a second page, and again I'm going to choose the sales letter template. Again, that's specifically for my GRN team. You can choose other templates if you want. For our purposes, the sales letter template works best for this type of web page. I'm going to call this Capture. No reason other than I just want to identify it for right now. And we'll talk about capture pages in a completely other lesson. Capture 1 is my title. Show in navigation, I'm going to select yes for now. And I'm going to say save. That shows me now that I actually have two pages, a main and a capture. I'm on the capture page, and now I can click back to the main page, which is cool. And if I'm in the main page, I can click back to the capture page by just clicking on the blue hyperlinks, okay? So now in our website we have two pages. Just for fun, I am going to add on this page, I'm going to drag over from Editor Tools a title box. I'm going to click in there to edit that. This is a good review. I'm going to choose some red text. I'm going to center that text. I'm going to make it 40. Verdana is good. I'm going to click in here and say, give it a title. My capture page. There it is. Hooray, hurrah. I'm going to say save because I want to make sure I save that information. Close that drop-in box, pop-in box. Okay, so now in my editor tool I can go back and forth between my pages, between my main page and my capture page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here to Pages on the left, and I'm actually going to go into this. I'm on the main page right now. I can go to the capture page or the main. On the main page I'm going to say no, do not say or do not show in navigation. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to my capture page, which is up here, and say no to show in navigation. And now both of my pages show up as hidden pages, main and capture. So if I want to edit one of these pages, I have to go to Pages, choose which page I want to edit, and then say edit this page. Now this is very important. We don't want there to be the ability to navigate between the pages in our published website. We'll talk about that more specifically as to why, but we want to direct traffic, and we're going to do that with Aweber opt-in boxes on our pages. Okay, for right now, we've got two pages now that you can navigate back and forth between right here, right? But what I want to do now is go up here and say Save and View Website. I'm going to click on that. Now, I've already published this website once, and I chose option 1, which is what I want you to do now. Choose option 1, and it's going to say give your website a domain name. Well, Total Wealth was available. When you start typing in the box there, it's going to say what domain name do you want? And I said Total Wealth. It said perfect, that works. Nobody's got that one. You do the same, and then it's going to save that, and it's going to give you the actual website address here eventually when you save it and publish, and it's going to say, mine says totalwealth.blinkweb.com. Now, eventually, once you're all done building your website, you are going to choose option 2. Get a domain name for your website, and it's going to be published without the BlinkWeb in there. It's just going to say yourdomainname.com. Mine would say totalwealth.com. And once we're online and running our business, that's ultimately how we want our web address to appear. All right, but for right now, you can finish out that process, and then you can actually click on this link here in the middle of the page, and it now opens up my website actually on the internet. You can see there's no navigation, and it appears exactly as we laid it out without all the blue banners and all the lines and everything. And of course, this is a terrible looking website. But once we straighten it all out and you edit it and get it the way you want it to look, this is how your website will actually look when you browse to that internet address on the web. I'm going to close that tab for now, go back to my editor, close that box. Here we are. Hopefully you got that. Rewind, review, look at the video tutorials up here. Again, you can always look at those. But there we have it, 2-page website, published on the internet for free. One more lesson for sure to come. I'll see you then. Have a good day. Bye-bye.